Hi everyone, it's Tina at TSR Creations. Back again today. I'm going to do a really quick video. I'm going to do the bloom technique that everybody's doing. I've only done a few of these. This is a totally different pouring method or medium that you're going to use from the regular pouring. So if you're unfamiliar with it, go back, watch some videos. Possibly I'll do a video on how to prepare your paints and your bases and your pillow paint and all that. But basically you're using a house paint for your base paint. That's it. And also you're making your own pouring medium out of polyurethane and a paint base, which is untinted base that you get at the hardware store. And then you're making, there's a lot of steps to this. And then you're making a cell activator out of white. And there's only a couple different ones that work. This one, apparently, Amsterdam, works very well. Titanium white with floetrol and a couple drops of this Minwax conditioner, wood conditioner oil. And that's basically all it is, but it's a lot of steps. So we are going to mix up some paints. I'll show you how I mix up one paint and go through that with you, and then we'll get started. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, we're back. I mixed up all my paints with my pouring medium, the bloom pouring medium. I am using dioxazine purple. I am using deep magenta, which I am going to mix up for you right now. And I am using, this is light blue violet. And this is a Liquitex. The magenta, deep magenta, is an Artist Loft. The dioxazine purple is Liquitex Basics. And I'm also going to use gold, and this is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. So they're all mixed up. I'm just going to move these out of the way. Get on my gloves. All right, so if you can see these are going to be thicker, okay, then you want it to kind of like run off your stick. Then you're used to. So I'm going to show you here. So I poured in about, I don't know, maybe like a teaspoon of paint to about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more of the pouring medium. And I'm going to mix. And this is the deep magenta. It's going to look lighter than it does coming out of the tube, but don't worry, when you do it, the colors pop back up after it dries. So you're just going to stir that, mix that really well. All right, and you see it's kind of still a little thick, so I'm just going to add a teeny bit of water just to thin it out a little bit. Okay. And that's good. All right. So we have our colors. Put those over here. I already mixed up my pillow or my cell activator, and the consistency is going to be a little thinner of that, okay? Because you want it to kind of glide over the top of the paints. So that's that. All right. So we're going to put a pillow. All right. So we're going to put a pillow down on our heart here. Sorry, I had a phone call. All right. So you want a pretty good amount. Ooh. And I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to add my colors. There's a lot of bubbles in these. I'm going to put down some magenta. And then I'm going to do the dioxazine purple. And then I'm going to do the gold. And then I'm going to do the light blue violet. how you put these down. All right. I'm going to do a little bit more. So, all right. Maybe a little bit more of that. Okay, that's it. All right, and then we're going to put our cell activator on it. Okay. And you're going to put a nice amount right in the center. All right, that side, and then you're going to blow straight down on it. All right, let's see if I can do this. Here we go. I'm gonna turn it. You blow straight down and out. All right, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but so I blew down on it, and this is what I got. And you're gonna wait a little bit. I don't know. Let it do it. Let it do its thing. I'm sticking. The house paint is thick. All right. So I'm just gonna kind of blow out here a little bit with the straw. And now I'm going to decide which way I want to stretch first. I think I'm going to go this way first. Bring it back. This is easier on a square canvas, I will tell you that, than on this shape, this heart. But right. I actually like that. Just go slow. I'm going to kind of go back to the center with it. Sorry. All right. This is a disaster. Somebody keeps calling me and hanging up. All right. So again, I'm just going back over to this other side here. Going over. I don't want to go all the way down. If I can get over here, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And bring it back. The gold in here is gorgeous. All right. So I'm going to go back a little bit. I want to bring it back to the center. Boy, this is pretty. All right. And I'm just going to go down. My paper is all messed up. It's because of the house paint. It's so thick. Sorry. All right. It's a good thing I taped my back. I want to go down a little bit. See if I can break a little of that up. it go over and then bring it back. All right, so this is pretty much it. They do get some really cool cells. Don't overstretch it. I probably just did, but actually I like this. It looks pretty. All right, so there it is. Got some really cool cells going on there, especially right in there. Right in there. Like a rainbow down here. But that's it. And then just make sure that all your sides are covered. They should be. And you're done. And then this will, after it dries fully, I'll probably do resin over the top, because I always like to really finish off my wood pieces with resin. But this looks really good. Really sparkly with the gold. All right, so if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you some more videos. And that's about it. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.